everyone, so we are doing another video in my bedroom. I just really kind of like filming in here again. So we are back again, and today we're going to do a quick, semi-regular at this point, Bath & Body Works haul. Now I swear this time, it's the last time. I have to unsubscribe from Bath & Body Works's like weekly letters, newsletters, or whatever, and their emails. I have to unsubscribe because it's costing me a lot of money. I think this is going to be my last haul until the end of the year when they do their like semi-annual sale. So I think this is gonna be it because I need to stop. But really quickly, I want to tell you about one of my favorite perfume companies, and it is Dossier. I have done a few videos for them before, and I have another new perfume to share with you guys. This one, oh my gosh, when I opened it up, I just, it smells amazing. So if you're not familiar with Dossier, they are an online perfume company, and they create high-end perfumes inspired by all of the top designers, but they are a reasonably and affordably priced perfumes, so you can get that scent of like a designer high-end perfume without having to spend the crazy amount of money that those perfumes usually cost. So the fragrance that I chose today, I wanted to go completely different from all the other ones I had tried before, and this one definitely hit the mark. It is such a good one, and I would highly recommend it. This one is called Oriental Tobacco, and this one is great for people who want those smoky but sweet perfumes. This one is inspired by the Tom Ford perfume Tobacco Vanille, and you guys, that perfume is insanely expensive. The size of the Dossier perfumes, this is the 1.7 fluid ounce or 50 milliliters. For the same exact size as this perfume here, if you were to buy the Tom Ford one, you would be paying $263 for this much perfume. Do you know how many Dossier perfumes you could buy for $263? It is ridiculous. You guys, I can't. Designer perfumes are nuts. I was just so floored by that price. I happened to look. Also, if you get the 8.4 ounce of the perfume decanter from Sephora, that would be $670. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? The price of this one from Dossier is $39. I can't believe the price difference because the perfume smells so high-end, so luxurious, and so sophisticated. I love this one so much. This is definitely a perfume I could totally see myself wearing like on a date night, a really cozy, warm winter night. It smells amazing. So let me tell you the notes of this perfume. So the top notes of this one is tobacco, ginger, and apricot. The middle notes are honey, vanilla, and cocoa. And the base notes are tonka bean, dry fruits, and blonde wood. I love the simplistic bottle of the Dossier perfumes. You can see it all. It has all of the scent notes right there on the bottle, so you don't have to guess at what you're smelling. And it's just so nice and sleek and very minimalistic, and I love that. It looks very classic, and you're not paying for some crazy markup of a ridiculous perfume bottle that might look fun, but at the end of the day, you're just paying for the bottle and for the designer. And I also have a coupon code right here that you can get a discount off of your purchase if you would like to support me and use my link. That would be greatly appreciated. And another thing I love about Dossier, if you do not love the perfume that you chose, you can easily, no questions asked, return it and get a refund, and you can try out a new fragrance if you don't like the one you picked out. So I love that their return process is so easy, so simple to do, and you can have confidence in finding a perfume that is perfect for you. So thank you again to Dossier for sending me this product for review, and let's get on to the Bath & Body Works haul and collection. Okay, so everything I got from this haul was from their most recent semi-annual sale. I got a couple candles and lotions. Those are like my two favorite things to get. So yeah, we're just gonna get started. Okay, so first I'm gonna start off with candles. The first one I got, this one is just so pretty. It matches my room really well. It's so cute, and it's kind of one of those ones I don't want to burn, but that's stupid, so I will burn it. But this is the mint chocolate chip milkshake candle. I love the art of this one. It's kind of got like that watercolor little illustrations. I think it's so pretty. It's got a green wax on here. Let me take the little plastic cover out. This is what the candle looks like. It matches my room really well. Oh, and it smells so good. It smells like an Andes mint or like a peppermint patty kind of thing. And the scent notes on this one is vanilla mint ice cream, chunky chocolate chips, and whipped cream. And I love this one. I thought it was so pretty. I had to get it. I love mint chocolate things, and I thought it was so cute. So I had to get that one, and this was $12.25. The next candle I got was from the same line. This one is the Black Cherry Fruit Pop. Again, it's so cute. I love the packaging of it. I love the illustrations. This one is a pretty like lavender color candle. Oh, and this one smells really good too. This is just like a good like any time of the year kind of candle, like especially nice in summer, but you could burn this anytime and it smells great. The notes of this one is frozen black cherries, pineapple juice, sweet cherries, and hint of vanilla. So this one is a really good one. So cute, so pretty, and I love Bath & Body Works candles. I finally finished up the berry waffle cone one. I loved that one so well, and it like lasted me quite a while. It burned for a while too. So I'm a big fan of Bath & Body Works candles. I just can't pay full price for them. So anytime they're on sale, I might pick up a couple, but I think I'm really done at this point until hopefully the end of the year. So the last few things I got are all body lotions. Those are some of my favorite things to buy from Bath & Body Works, so I definitely picked up a few of them. So the first one I got, it kind of goes along with the same like design as the candles. This one is the Candied Violet Sorbet Body Lotion. It's the body cream Ultra Shea one. This one was $3.62, and this one is just so pretty. I love anything like ice cream and waffle cones. I'm gonna buy it like all day long. So the notes of this one is sugared violet petals, vanilla sorbet, and blackberry swirl. It just smells like really fruity. I'm getting a little bit of the violet, but the main one I'm getting is definitely like the vanilla and the blackberry. It smells so nice, and of course it's so pretty. I loved it. The next one I got was one of their aromatherapy ones. This is the Cedarwood and Vanilla Sleep Lotion. This one was $3.87, and the notes of this one is cedarwood oil is supposed to promote soothing feelings, and then the vanilla absolute calms the mind to encourage relaxation. So I have had some of their aromatherapy ones before. I think I had like the eucalyptus one in my bathroom. I saved that one for my boyfriend because like he doesn't really like all the girly scents as much, but I saved that one for him. Oh my god, this smells so good. If you really like vanilla and like warm woodsy kind of scents, this is definitely a good one to get. I feel like this one, even with that wood, the cedar wood, it like kind of makes it a little more like unisexy. I could totally see my boyfriend wearing this and not think it's too like girly or too sweet. It just smells so good. I want a cologne like this that I can buy for my boyfriend so he'll smell exactly like this. That would be amazing. Okay, the next one I got is just, it was calling my name. This one is called Cotton Candy Clouds. Of course, I love cotton candy. I love marshmallow, anything along those lines. This one was $3.62, and the notes of this one is spun sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. All of my favorite things. I love this one because it does smell sweet, but it's not like so sugary sweet, but it's not so overly sweet where I just feel like I smell like a 12-year-old. It's got that nice like balance of the vanilla that I think really kind of like mellows it out. But oh yeah, this is a good one as well, and I love the packaging of this one. It's so like pretty and nice and simple. Okay, and then the final one I got, this one is it was $3.62, and this one is called Whipped Vanilla Chiffon. Again, all my favorite things. Sweet, sugary, vanilla. I'm going to love it. And the notes of this one is wild vanilla bean, spun sugar, and white peach blossom. That peach is a really nice hint to make it like smell different than the other ones, because like all of the ones I got, it pretty much had like vanilla in it in some way. This one smells very different from the rest because of that peach. Really just kind of gives it like a more like a juicy kind of scent. Oh, but it smells so good. Yeah, I'm super happy with all the scents that I got. I tend to not like stray too far from what I like, which is sweet, sugary, or woodsy kind of things, but these all like completely hit the mark, and I'm so glad to have these, especially these, because these are my favorite. I feel like they make my skin so smooth. They last a lot better than like the typical lotions for me. I'm just not a fan of like, I think it's the signature ones. Those are just not my favorite, and to get these for like less than $4 a piece, I'm gonna take it all day. Okay, so this is my current candle selection of Bath & Body Works. I'm not gonna lie, I didn't realize I had this many. But first I have Ice Blueberry Biscotti, Wild Berry Jam Donut, Summer Boardwalk Ice Cream Bar. This is the current one I'm burning, called Coastal Watermelon. Then I have Black Cherry Fruit Pop from this haul, Mint Chocolate Chip Milkshake from this haul. Then I have French Baguette, Blue Raspberry Snow Cone, Salted Pretzel Milkshake. And then on the top row here, I have Welcome Home, Fiji White Sands, and finally Marshmallow Fireside. That's probably like my all-time favorite candle. Okay, next I have a few fine fragrance mists, and I don't really have too many of them. I typically prefer perfumes, and I really wish Bath & Body Works would just come out with their own like long-lasting perfumes rather than body mist, but I do have a few of them. The first one here is Vanilla Bean Noel, and I actually love it so much I have a second one that I didn't realize, which is also Vanilla Bean Noel. Then I have Snowy Morning and Christmas Cookies. So not many, but they are all of the Christmas scents that I love so much. And I'm sure these were very inexpensive. I usually get these on sale at the end of the year, usually for like $3 or $4 a piece. Okay, next up I have some shower gels. Again, I don't have too many of them, and they are all the like fall, winter, Christmassy scents. So the first one I have here is Gingerbread Latte. Next is Christmas Cookie, and finally my all-time favorite body wash. This one is Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I have a lot of other like not fun bath products I'm trying to use up, like all my old shower gels and stuff that are just kind of like little random drugstore ones that I'm just trying to use up before I break into my favorite ones. So it might be a little bit till I get to these, but these are always some good ones. Okay, and moving on to foaming hand soaps. Now I have never been really big into the Bath & Body Works foaming hand soaps. I've always liked them, but I've never been like, oh, I just have to have those, but I'm really kind of starting to get into them now. Again, same with the shower gel. I have a lot of hand soaps I'm trying to use up currently, just some little random like soft soap ones, or I don't know, ones that are fine, but they're just not as fun as Bath & Body Works. So the two that I have in this one is Pumpkin Cupcake and my all-time favorite, Marshmallow Fireside. So those are the only two I have at the moment, but I'm sure eventually I will break into those after I clear out my stash of all the old stuff I don't care as much about. And next I have the Concentrated Room Sprays. So I have the Berry Waffle Cone, Vanilla Bean, Strawberry Pound Cake, Pineapple Mango, and then I currently have the Marshmallow Fireside in my car. I pretty much use these exclusively for my car, and I like to use them up to completion, so it'll probably be a while till I get to these. But I was cleaning my room the other day, and you guys, I found an OG Bath & Body Works old one. If anyone remembers this one, you get bonus points. This one is called Bahama Fizz. This one is the Slatkin & Co. I don't know if they still even make the Slatkin & Co. ones like with Bath & Body Works anymore, but this one is Bahama Fizz. It is a mint zebra print, and I'm not joking, this is probably from literally 2006 or something like that. I'm not joking. So I found that one and I still use it. I found it in my room, I'll still spray it, and it's been going so strong for like what, 15 years? Okay guys, this is where it gets a little crazy. Obviously these are my favorite Bath & Body Works types of products, and it's the Ultra Shea body creams. They're my favorite for a reason, and I have a lot of them. You can't even see them all. We're gonna go through them super quickly. The only one I included that is not the Ultra Shea is this one, because it's the only other lotion I have really. This is the Aqua Cool Aloe Lotion, and it's Boardwalk Marshmallow Clouds. Next from this haul we have Candy Violet Sorbet. We have Confetti Daydream. This is one that I'm currently using. I have a couple I'm kind of working on at the moment. Next I have Sweater Weather. Then we have Merry Cherry Cheer. Next is Gingerbread Latte. Then we have the Stress Release Eucalyptus Spearmint Aromatherapy one. Then we have the Cedarwood Vanilla from this haul. We have Christmas Cookies. We have one I'm almost done with using, Vanilla Bean Noel, a classic. Somehow I have two of the Winterberry Wonders, so I have two different packagings of those. Then we have Bonfire Bash, Whipped Vanilla Chiffon, Cotton Candy Clouds, Twisted Peppermint, Snowflakes, and Cashmere. And the last row, we have Hot Cocoa and Cream. We have another Christmas Cookies, Bright Lemon Snowdrop, Winter Candy Apple, Vanilla Bean Noel, Raspberry Sugar. Then we have Frosted Coconut Snowball, Gingerbread Latte, and finally we have Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, and the one I am currently working on as well. Again, these two are like some of my all-time favorite scents. One last thing I found, I do have one of their original, the Shea Vitamin E body lotions. This one is in Beach Nights. So these aren't my favorite. I feel like they're just a little bit thinner. I like these Shea ones because they're creamier and thicker, and I feel like they just stay longer, so I don't have too many of these. I might have like one other somewhere, but this is all I could find at the moment. And for the most part, I do believe that is everything that I have right now. There might be like little one-off things here or there that I have forgotten about, but that is pretty much everything for my Bath & Body Works collection at the moment. And as crazy as it seems, I do not consider myself a Bath & Body Works collector at all. So some people may disagree with that, but I definitely don't consider myself a collector. I just have a lot of it. So yeah, that's everything I own at the moment. So that is it for my Bath & Body Works haul and my current Bath & Body Works collection. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram, link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.